Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John F.K. Page again. If any of y'all are curious how I keep warm on the motorcycle during the winter months and below freezing temperatures, the lowest temperature I rode my motorcycle in was 12 degrees. 12 degrees with a 20 below zero wind chill factor. 20 to 30 below zero wind chill factor, depending how fast I was going down the freeway. Wondering how I keep warm? All right, this is how I keep warm. Okay, this is a heated jacket liner. You put this underneath your jacket, underneath the normal riding jacket. It's got 3 settings: medium, high, low, medium, and high. And the gloves, which attaches to the jacket. It's got a separate setting for the gloves, which is low, medium, and high too, for hand comfort, to keep the hands as warm as possible, or comfortable. And it also plugs in to the motorcycle. They got a little cord that comes out, or a little outlet, or a little attachment that comes out from underneath the seat. You plug this on here and it charges itself. It heats the jacket up through the charging system of the motorcycle. And that's how I keep warm. It's a jacket liner with heated gloves to go underneath my regular riding gloves. Got the Harley symbol on it. Right there. Yep, that's how I keep warm. I even ridden in beginning of snowstorms and end of snowstorms too. So, well, anyway, give you another video blog here soon. This is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John F.K. Page. 2 wheels down, shiny side up.